Now, your latest headlines and 7 First Alert forecast from 7 Action News.
New overnight, police are investigating a fatal shooting. It happened on Detroit's west side near Collingwood and Dexter near Chicago around 11:30 last night. Investigators are telling 7 Action News that a man in his late 20s was shot multiple times by an unknown man driving a white minivan. DPD is still working to gather more information. If you know anything, you're asked to call Crime Stoppers anonymously at 1-800-SPEAK UP. Today we'll learn more about a new federal effort to fight violent crime in Detroit. They're calling it Operation Legend. The U.S. Attorney and other federal agents plan to hold a news conference about this today. We're going to stream it for you live on WXYZ.com starting at 11 a.m. And our Simon Chowdhury will be reporting live on this next hour from downtown Detroit. General Motors will be announcing its second quarter earnings later on today, and it's not expected to be pretty. There are concerns during the pandemic of a decline in auto production and demand for vehicles and other big-ticket items. Earlier this month, GM reported a 34% decline in quarterly sales, but it did say that things were significantly stronger in May and June than during the shutdown in April. However, some analysts are expecting a nearly $20 billion decline in revenue compared to the second quarter of 2019. Ford Motor Company will also be releasing its second quarter earnings on Thursday afternoon. Cash burn and debt are among the top things Wall Street will be looking at, other than the company's earnings. The pandemic crushed the industry with no new vehicles rolling off the assembly line for 2 months.
Some heavy rain north of M59 this morning. It's moving west to east at a rate of about 35 miles per hour. And there's some really heavy rain and also a lot more lightning. It's just north of Lansing. And this is tracking primarily to the east, but it's just drifting a little bit farther south. So it does look like the bulk of this will stay north of Howell, but it's going to be moving just north of M59. So over the next 7 minutes, Meridian and around Williamston by about 13 minutes. Some real heavy rain possible there. Also some heavy rain around Independence Township, Clarkston, and just approaching Waterford. That's just moving next couple of minutes. Some real heavy rain over Waterford. This rain lasts through 6:30. The rest of the morning is going to be dry. We get more storms, though, by noon popping up.
These have been your latest headlines and 7 First Alert forecast from 7 Action News.